Here we come to the freight elevator at the College and Hotel Restaurant Management Building, University of Houston, Houston, Texas. I don't know what brand this is, but I think probably an Esco, but look at this. They got a modernized call button right here, but it's got the original GAL door control buttons. This is quite interesting. But other than that, this elevator is fully modernized. And also, this elevator has a solid interior door rather than a usual fence gate. Anyways, let's ride. Here we go. Just your basic stainless steel cab. These are your modernized PTL halo fixtures of some type. Heart's gone to 1. This elevator was obviously modernized. I'm starting from the second floor because this opens into a kitchen and I kind of don't feel comfortable being down there anyways. We're gonna hear the motor going up. That gate is so obnoxiously rough. 2. We'll take it for one more ride. All right, let's close up the door and we're gonna open up the rear side. Listen to that gate coming down so hard. That is like so loud. One of the loudest bangs that I've ever heard. Let's open up the rear side, shall we? I don't know if it works or not. I think you might need a key. You know what? No, it's actually locked. But anyways, we're gonna go back up to 2 and end the video there. Anyways, we're gonna get off here because I think somebody needs to use it downstairs. All right, let's close it up. Goodness, that is loud. All right, see, look at these fixtures. There's your mad call button right there, and these are your original GAL door control buttons. Look at that. This is interesting. I like how they left this original, but modernize the rest of the equipment. Anyways,